All right, welcome back, Beowulf Nation. I'm Beowulf back at it with another video. So everybody knows right now that are affected coast to coast around the world with the coronavirus. Now, a lot of places, especially out where I live, all the gyms are closed. You could do cardio by going for walks and stuff like that, but I really like to do like a bicycle riding. The cycling is kind of what I do cardio wise when I'm at the gym. Cool thing that I just picked up from Amazon, and I have an Amazon store that's amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. That is where you can find this, and I'm going to show you guys put it together. And then basically, you got Pike get into the way. Pike's excited to see what's going on. So in my free time, I like to play some video games. And then what better way than just in general bike riding, but when I'm sitting at night and I'm watching TV or movie or playing some games like the new Call of Duty, playing Warzone, whatnot, I got this bike to ride. And it's good to stay in shape. Also too, this isn't an incredibly expensive one. It's about a high $100 range, high $100 range with this. And that's kind of why I went with this. And it's foldable. So you can move it all around, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. And I didn't want to go crazy because you don't know how long this is all going to last. It could last a year, it could last a couple months, who knows. But all I know is the gyms aren't opening anytime soon. So let's pop this thing open. It could be where it's not a lot of assembling and it just goes together. I have no clue. So let's open up and check it out. And here's my review and unboxing. Uh-oh. Country of origin, China. So far, all my dogs are coming to check this out. They're like, what did you buy? Is it for me? Is it something for you, Pike? Cash? All right, so I'm going to pull this all apart and then put it together. My dogs are probably wishing us something for them, but sorry guys, not for you today. So this is what's all came out of the box. And the cool thing, obviously, is foldable. It's pretty easy to figure out how to put this together. Obviously, I'm going to read the instructions instead of just putting stuff together. It's probably a whole area, but it is not that complicated. I can already tell you how the feet go. Obviously, that piece is probably for the seat. Pedals probably just tighten right on. And that's about it. Wait, it isn't all this stuff. You got a digital thing there. And then you got the seat. Now we have everything on. All right, so far knocked out. We got the legs done, got the pedals on. It's almost all assembled. It's pretty fast. The interesting thing with this is there's two sets of holes, right? Now what they say in the instructions here is the rear holes, if you're from 5'1" to 5'6", to use the rear ones. Now if you're 5'7" to 6'3", use the front ones. So I'm using the front ones, and then we're putting the seat cushion on. All right, there we go. It's all put together. So there's some bolts up in here, and then it nicely comes with batteries, and it got this plug in there, and then you can adjust it. So actually, I'm for what I spent for this thing, and it's foldable. I'm telling you, it's pretty impressive. And also too, it checks your heart rate when you hold on to the hand things there. For a very non-expensive option of riding, it's pretty much about the price you'd be spending. I think actually buying an actual bicycle would be actually a little bit more. The nice thing is you can train from home. I have a nice fan in here too, so it'll keep me cool riding. And then basically, why the whole goal of why I bought this, it was easy to move. But then see, you could be sitting here. You got a little area to hold stuff right there, like a phone or whatnot. But then you could be sitting there, pedaling, and watching a movie, watching TV, playing video games, whatever it is, and that's, I'll tell you, this thing is nice. And definitely, if you're in the market, look for one of these. Check it out on my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. It's the end of the video. I'm telling you, fitness is a very crucial thing right now, especially with the coronavirus. There is areas, I know, like the Chicagoland area, they shut down all the bike paths and all that, so people can't even go walk on there or ride their bikes. So if you don't have a lot of room, you could be living in an apartment, you know, whatnot, definitely something like this is the way to go. And it's foldable and it's not heavy. One person can lift this. It doesn't matter who you are. That's what's crazy. Some of this equipment is so heavy you can't move it. This thing is basically 2 hands. You can lift it up. What do you think, Pike? Pike's like, forget it. I'm out. So that's the end of the video. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Never give up. Never surrender. It's the end of the video. Peace out, Beowulf Nation.